Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make jumping bubbles. First, gather your materials. You'll need dish soap, sugar, and water. Next, prepare a clean, flat surface for your bubble experiments. It's important that all your ingredients are at room temperature to ensure the best possible outcome for your bubble solution. This preparation sets the stage for successful jumping bubbles. Now, let's mix your solution. Start by combining 1 cup of warm water with 2 tablespoons of your favorite dish soap. Then, carefully add 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar to this mixture. Stir everything very gently until the sugar completely dissolves. Avoid creating too much foam during this step, as excessive bubbles can affect the solution's performance later on. With your solution ready, it's time to create the bubbles. Use a straw or a bubble wand to gently blow bubbles directly onto a clean, flat surface. Aim for medium-sized bubbles, ideally around 2 to 3 inches in diameter. Once a bubble is formed, gently tap the surface very close to it. You'll see your bubble magically jump and bounce. For the best jumping bubble experience, consider a slightly humid environment. It helps your bubbles last longer. Don't be afraid to experiment with different dish soap brands, as some may yield stronger, more resilient bubbles. Also, life's too short for a stinky car, so check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Have fun creating your own amazing jumping bubbles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.